Alright, good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Rafa from spiritdigitals.com. I highly recommend you visit my site from time to time. To be honest, I upload useful articles that can actually help you in your online journey. Alright, back to the main reason why we're here. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make professional design, the tools that you need to make professional design using Canva. Canva, even if you don't know anything about design, once you start using Canva, you are going to create beautiful and professional designs using Canva. I assure you that you are going to create such designs once you use Canva. It could be video art, it could be a lot of things, background removal. That's what I'm going to show you here. So, the first thing you need to do is to ensure you are on your pro account. Canva before was almost $15 per month, but now Canva has gone down. You can pay 2,800 naira per month and you start using Canva. And outside that, if you're actually interested in using Canva, I highly recommend you use my link. And I'm going to show you how you can actually do it and get it for a lesser price with your colleagues. I'll be showing you that if you use my link. So let's swing into action. So the first thing you need to do is once you log into your Canva Pro account, Pro is preferable. You can use it not just that there are a lot of things that you cannot do with a normal account. It must be Pro, like background remover, reshaping, all those things. You cannot do them without a Pro account. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your dashboard. I'll start with size. Let's say you want to create a size, let's say 1080 by 1080. All you need to do is to click on it. You can see create a design. You can see custom size. Any of them will still take us to the same place. So I'm going to click on create a design. You can see the same custom size here. I must still click on custom size so I can get the size that I want to use. You can see still take me to the same place. So I'm going to use, let me say 1080 by 1080, 1080 by 1080. If you notice, this is in pixel. If you click on this drop down arrow, you see this is inch, this is millimeter, and this is centimeter. So it depends on what you're actually creating. But in this case, I'm going to go with pixel. So I'm going to click on create new design. So I'm going to click on create new design. Click on this. Okay, once this page opens up for you, the first thing I will show you is how to remove background image. I have some images I've already downloaded and I've uploaded it to Canva Pro. Okay, let me search for the images. Let me use this guy as an example for this tutorial. I need something that will show so that you see it. Okay, let me use this. Let me use this guy. Okay, so once you uploaded this, you click on edit image. You can see background remover. Click on background remover. You can see the background has been removed. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try this one. Edit. Background remove. You can see the background has been removed. Basically, this is how you can remove background image with Canva. You can actually go to my site or go to YouTube and search for Spare Digitals. You see where I show you how you can actually use this to make money on Fiverr. Yes, using background image remover to make money with Fiverr. So let's proceed. I'll show you how to remove a background image. So I'm going to show you how you can actually retouch it. Let's see. Let's flip it. You can flip image. You can see. You can flip it to whichever way you want. Okay. Then another thing I want to show you is positioning. You can see positioning. You can click on center. Can this thing has been shifted to center. Okay. Let's say this thing is actually down here. If I click on positioning, you can see middle has been highlighted. You can click on middle, bottom, top. Okay. These are the way you can actually the tools that you can see here. There are other things. For instance, if I want to duplicate this image now, I need to click on this. You can see this plus icon by the left, just beside the delete. This is delete. If you click on this, that means I've deleted it. So let's duplicate this. You can see it has been duplicated. So let me delete one. You can see one has been deleted. Okay. So let me click on this. Let's say I want to give this guy let me give it background image. Let me give it background color. That you see some of the things I'm doing. Let me give it. I want you with this guy. For instance, if I go down, if you pick any image, once you put any image to your this thing, if you go down, Canva will avail you colors that will match that particular image. If you notice, this is black. It has availed me this that will match the image. You can see different colors that will match the image. You can see the shoe, which is red. To avail you different colors that will give the image a perfect look. Okay. Now let me say I want to increase the decrease the brightness of this image. Just click on transparent. Watch what happens to that image now. You can see it has gone dim. Okay. These are the tools that Canva has availed you that you can actually make use of. So let's continue. The next thing is text. Let's see. Click on text. Let me write something now. Click on add heading. Let me see Spare Digital. Spare Digital. That is the name of my website. Okay, let me give this. You can see I can increase the size here. Watch the font is increasing. And I can decrease it here. Network is very, very slow. Okay, I can decrease it here. Okay, so this is how you can increase and decrease the font size. Another thing, you can actually increase it from, you can see this buttons here. You can see, you can drag this thing up to increase it. Okay, can do the same thing to this guy. Okay, I can increase it, can decrease it. Same thing here. I can change the color. Let me change the color to white or this ash color. Okay, these are the way. Another thing is Let's say you want to curve this text here. Click on Effect, then go down, scroll down. You can see curve. Click on this curve. You can see this thing has been curved. Okay. So let's go down. Let me show you. If you want to take this curve upward, just watch the arrow. Just scroll down. Watch this arrow. Just watch the text that is going back up. Okay. You can now use it like this instead of the way it was before. You can use it like this. Now, if I want it like this, let me bring this guy down. Okay, I can now use it like this. Okay, can still take it down a little. Okay, so whichever way you want it, you can actually do it that way. Okay, now if let's say I want to give it background, you can actually click on this guy. You can see, you can select the background I actually wants to give to this young man. You can say, okay, I want to change the background. So change the background to whichever color that really match what you want to design. So another thing is let me type something again. Let me take this guy down and type text again. Let me show you. Let's see the digitals. Let me say spread digitals. Okay. So let me do this now. Let me say .com now. If you notice, this text here is far from each other. .com is far from the spread digitals. Okay. Now, if I want to close this gap between spread digitals and .com, all I need to do is to go to here. You can see spacing. If I reduce this guy, you watch, this is letter spacing. Watch .com is moving out. You can see it has been separated from COM. They have been separated. So if I bring it back, you can see it has closed up a little. That is the letter spacing. Now the line spacing, watch what happens now. You can see once I close it, once I bring it back, you can see the .com is going closer to the spread registers. I hope you are seeing it. So these are the tools that I can actually use to design your professional design. It could be social media posts, anything. You can actually use this. Then another thing is animation, because I'm going to use this in next tutorial. Just want you to master the tools. You can even design better than me that is even teaching you if you settle down and learn these things. Okay, let's go to animation. Click on animation. You can see all these ones are free, but if you go down, you see the pro one. Just I'm in my pro account. Okay, it's not showing, but you're supposed to show. If you're on your free account, you'll be seeing some of them will be showing with crown, telling that this is pro account. Okay, so if you notice immediately I brought this thing, you can see it is the, you can watch what is happening. That is the .com. So you select this. So go back to this guy. So watch what happens. Okay, so I'll select this guy. Then this lady here, take it up a little. Okay, I'll select this guy. So these are the way you can actually use animation. You can see there are a lot of them that you can actually use. So this is how you can use animation. Okay. Then another thing. So I'm going to, if you make any mistake, just you can see the back arrow key, touch it, click it. So I'm going to take it back to how it was before I included those animation. Okay. Okay. So the next thing I want to show you is you can see the text. These are different types of font design that I can actually use. Okay, let's say I want to change this font style. Click on this drop down arrow. You can see we have them in hundreds. So you can see these ones are pro. If you are not in your pro account, you'll be able to use it. Okay, but since I'm in my pro account, I can actually use them. Okay, let's say I want to turn this thing to this ambient light. You can see that's changed to that font style. Okay, so these are different fonts that you can actually use. Then another thing I want to show you, let's say I want to make this guy bold. You select bold. Well, let's say you want to make any text bold. This is bold. You can select bold and make the text bold. Okay. If you want to make it italics, and this one is highlighted, I cannot make this one italics because it's already in italics. So another thing I want to show you is you can see alignment. Whichever way you want to align this thing, you can actually align it to that place. Okay, click on this align. Hope you are watching what is happening. This is to right. Watch the design of that alignment. This is center and this is left. So this is how you can align things. Then if you click on this, you see in case you notice that the position initially was showing, but now it's no longer showing. If the position is no longer showing, click on these three dotted, this three dots at the top right. You see the position; it will still appear. If you want to underline, you click on this U that is on the line. You underline. If you want to key it, you key it here. Okay. So these are links. These are the way you can actually the what's it called? The tools I can actually use to design professional looking whether social media posts or template. Then let's continue. If for instance you are looking for fancy stuffs to use, just click on this element. Here you can type anything that you want. Let's say I want to design something like sales. Let me just type sales. Okay, I hit enter now. It's going to show me different types of sales design styles that I can actually use to make my website even more my template even more beautiful. You can see different types of sales. I can use any of them because I'm in my pro account. Okay, Okay, let's say I want to use this one. Just click on it. It will be imported to your this thing. You can now use it to do your design. Okay, anything that you're just looking for, just type this thing here. Let's say I'm looking for a line. Just say line, hit enter. To show me different types of line. If I type in fancy line, it will show me fancy line, something that is more fancy. Let's say I'm looking for apple, hit enter. You can see apple to show me apple. So this is where you can get different types of stuff that you can use to design your your template. Let's say cream. Just name it. Avocado, all those things. You are going to get them here. Just that you will not get the one that will give you that quality, professional quality design if you are not using the pro account. Okay, so let's say you want a background. Click on this background. You can see different types of background. You can access it from here. You can still access it just from here. Okay, so you can get all these things from anywhere. So what I'm actually doing, I'm showing the tools that you need to make your design even more professional. Now, once you are done, you click on this share. You can see download. Click on download. Then you can select any of them that you want to use. You can see PNG. You can see JPEG, that's JPG. You can see PDF standard, different types. And if it is in, like if I've left it on animation, is either I download it as MP4 or GIF, GIF, or video format. Okay, so these are the way you can actually change. So in this case, I'm leaving it at PNG. If I want to download it now, you just click on download, and it will be downloaded. And if I want to download it with transparent background, I will just click on this. It will be downloaded as a transparent background. This thing will not, the background will not show. It will just be only your design that will show. But if you decide to compress it to become a lower, as in the image will not be that shining. Okay, so these are the way you can actually use the tools that Canva has. Then the final one I want to show you. Let me take this guy off now. Let me delete this guy. Okay. Click on this edit image. Come down here. I want to make this thing. I want to give it a different design. Okay. So I'll click on this guy. These are the retouching that you see on Fiverr. I can edit your image. I can retouch this. I can retouch that. Let me make this background white so that you can see it very well. Let me make it white on this color so that I can see it very well. Okay, so let's go back to the image. So let me select this one. Hope you are watching what is happening to the image. Let me delete this guy so you can see it very well. You can see what is happening to the image. So these are the retouching, rebranding, recoloring, reduce that you see on the social media, on the Fiverr. So you can actually make good money with this. You can see. So this is how you can use this guy to make your design.